Hello all. I will discuss about how to create web pages, site pages in the WordPress site. From the panel, you can select site pages tab. You can click on the add button. So once you add it, we know that for every site page we have some title and some content. So give some title to your site page. So suppose my title for this one is my first page. The content which I am writing is FTP 301x. So this will provide you all the text editing facilities, text editing tools. Like if you want to add any content, any media from Google or from photo gallery, if you want to add contact information or payment button, you can add that. We have total 6 fonts available of different size, from heading 1 to 6. You can make it say heading 1 or heading 2, heading 4, likewise. You can make it bold, italic, or you can strike through, you can underline it, you can put horizontal line, you can justify it, or say if it is FTP 301x. So if you want to give link to this, just click here, or you can type the URL, or you can copy the URL over here and then add link. So that URL can be added over here. Once you complete your editing, you can publish this work. So click on the publish button. Publish it immediately, or you can set the date also. On that particular date it can be published. Then publish it. You can see the preview of whatever the work you have done by clicking on the preview, or you can directly see that. You can visit the site and you can see the page which you have created. So this one is my first page which we have created just now. Then come to my site again. Page which we have added right now, this one is over here. So if you want to make a menu, or if you want to add it in your website, so you can use customize. You can personalize it by adding this page. Click on the customize tab. Then you can add different types of settings are available here. You can customize by using site identity, colors and background, fonts, header image, menus, content options. So you can do all these facilities are available to customize your website. Menus is you can create different menus. Here I have created the menu certificates. So in certificate I have various sub menus. Like in this menu I have various sub menus: certificates, awards and honors, professional membership, like this. So I have one menu here, that is my first page. So I can click here, add the item, my first page which we have created just now. Then publish it. Okay, you can reorder this also by using the option reorder. So you can push it up or push it down. So accordingly the place of this menu will be decided. Okay. Thank you.